I got this in the mail and I'm so stoked. This has this on it. It has my address and other stuff. And it says Legends Collection Warhammer 40k. Okay, we're going to open this up. And this is a gift from Ian, Mumbling Minecrafter. So you can look it up on Twitch and see his streams there, I think almost every day. This is one of the things that's just very cool by being in a community. We are giving each other gifts and it's so cool. And I'm going to open it up now and let's see how it, what's what. It's on the other side, I guess. Let's turn it around. Bam! Oh my god! Dude, that's awesome. That looks so cool. Necrons! Eric Bear. And the Space Marines, the Smurfs. Oh my, this is, I'm going to have this, yeah, this is going to be in my art collection. I really like it. It's awesome. That's cool. Thank you so much, Ian. It's so cool. Please comment down below more information about this. I like 40k. I like kill teams. Kill team is very nice. It's not a mini 40k anymore. It's a skirmish game that's very fun to play. But I have to admit, I don't actually know enough about 40k. I know that's a Necron, and I know that's a Space Marine for the Empraaah. But yeah, I'll leave it more lore about this awesome art piece. This is going to be on my wall. Thank you so much. Much appreciated.